We have reached the stage where all the objects are inserted into the report. Now, it requires formatting. We need to set the names of the individual pages, add titles, and comments to the objects. Let's open the report named City Satisfaction, attached to the presentation. We can see that the list of pages on the left side has default names. It's important to give them names that make it easy for the report recipient to navigate and find the materials that are of interest to them. Double-click on the first page. In the newly opened window, enter Development as the new page name and click OK. Do the same for the second page, this time entering Authorities Assessment and clicking OK. For the last page, enter Authorities Assessment Comparison. While on this page, put the same information in the report title. Additionally, for all 4 containers, insert titles. We can do this by selecting all objects with the Ctrl key pressed and choosing Container Title from the tools on the right side. For the first tabular chart, I will enter the title Feelings About the City, for the middle one, Mayor's Evaluation, and for the last one, Mayor as a Good Steward. For the radar chart, I will enter the title Rating of Statements About the City Authorities. In the next step, we can perform the same actions for the Authorities Assessment page. For now, we will skip this step and move on to further formatting. For this report, I have a dedicated background attached to the presentation, which I would like to use now. To use one of the predefined backgrounds or create a custom one, we need to go to the Dashboard tab and select the icon labeled Background. We can use a predefined background or create a new one if none of the existing ones are suitable. I will do the latter. In the background design stage, we need to load necessary graphic files. For example, this could be just the institution's logo, or, as in my case, I received a background specifically designed for this report from a graphic designer. Save the new background, apply it to the entire report, and then click OK. To finish formatting the report, I will increase the font size of the page title and change its color to white. Then, I will format the titles of the individual containers. Select the page title, set the font size to 26, change the color to white, and align it to the left. Then, select any container with a title, and in the container properties on the right, remove the fill, set the font size to 11, and align it to the left. To apply these changes to all pages and containers in the report, click outside the design area of the current page, and from the top menu, click the Style icon. In the preview, we see the currently introduced changes, so click Apply, and in the window that appears, select to apply the settings to the entire report. We can now consider the report ready.